Take marks. Swimming in lane number 1 is Gamudo J.C. Wilson from Unit 2. Swimming in lane number 2 is Alegrado A.Z. from Unit 6. Swimming in lane number 3 is Bacolod Gabrieli from Unit 5. Swimming in lane number 4 is Bacolod J. Lawrence from Unit 5. Swimming in lane number 5 is Higuera Drew Ashton from Unit 2. Swimming in lane number 6 is Karanay Francis from Unit 7. In lane number 7 is Talisay Zardon from USC. And in lane number 8 is Igo Alexi from Unit 8.
Charo!